Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So guys, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, different variety, different ideas, beautiful cat cave, cat house, cat coach ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, fabulous crocheting work, different designing. Hopefully like this. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed. Very nice. Different designing, different style. Beautiful different shape of crochet cat bed, cat cave. You can see almost 40 plus images, and if you want to more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel. The logo is front of you. Go to mint section, press the bell icon, like and share my video with your family friends. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Okay viewers, bye bye.